Hey there, friends! I'm so excited to be with you today to talk about how to negotiate terms with dropshipping suppliers. Negotiating terms with your suppliers can be a game changer for your business. It's not just about getting the best possible price, it's about building strong, mutually beneficial relationships. Here are a few tips on how to negotiate terms with your dropshipping suppliers. Build strong relationships. The foundation of any successful negotiation is trust. Get to know your suppliers and build a rapport with them. This will make them more likely to be willing to work with you on getting the best terms. Next is understand their terms. Before you start negotiating, take the time to understand your supplier's current terms and conditions. This includes things like their pricing structures, minimum order requirements, and shipping policies. The more you know about their terms, the better equipped you'll be to negotiate better ones. Next is know your value. In any negotiation, it's important to know your value. What can you offer your supplier that other businesses can't? Do you have a large order volume? A strong marketing reach? A unique product demand? Highlighting your value to your supplier will give you a stronger negotiating position. Next is be open and honest. When you're negotiating with your suppliers, be open and honest about your needs and goals. Don't try to lowball them or trick them into giving you a better deal. Be upfront about what you're looking for and be willing to negotiate. And lastly, be willing to compromise. No negotiation is ever perfect. You may not get everything you want, but you should be willing to compromise to get the best deal possible. Keep an open mind and be willing to meet your supplier halfway. By following these tips, you can negotiate better terms with your dropshipping suppliers and build strong relationships that will benefit both of you in the long run. Here are a few additional tips. Be prepared to walk away. If you're not happy with the terms that your supplier is offering, be prepared to walk away from the negotiation. This shows them that you're serious about getting the best deal possible. And don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're not sure how to negotiate with your suppliers, there are plenty of resources available to help you. There are books, articles, and even online courses that can teach you how to negotiate effectively. Negotiating terms with your dropshipping suppliers is an important skill to learn. By following these tips, you can improve your negotiating skills and build strong relationships with your suppliers. Thank you for joining with me today on this informative journey. Once again, thank you for watching how to negotiate terms with dropshipping suppliers. See you in my next video.